Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. Now Uterelo guys, she is so disrespectful. Mugele, and like the way nje she is, I don't know, it's like she was just poking for drama. So in the last episode of Izingane Zestimbo, this was the season finale. Tirelo, she had nje this whole thing planned. She had this whole thing planned, which, you know what, today I'm going to be so disrespectful and I won't even feel sorry about it. Today I want to be the drama, okay? So now Tirelo went on. First thing that she did, she arrived late for the dinner because why? She wants to be the drama. And then when she got there, she was disrespecting Vuyokazi, telling her that she knows her worth. Thank you so much, Vuyokazi. You know your worth. At least when you left, you know your worth for leaving Umpumelelo. Like, how is that any of her business? How is it her business? Because this thing is between Vuyokazi and Umpumelelo. So for her to say Vuyokazi knows her worth, at least now she has confidence, it's like she is disrespecting her straight to her face. Because this thing was between Vuyokazi and Umpumelelo, she was just supposed to keep quiet, just like she did when Uviki was speaking. But now because it's Vuyokazi speaking, she is just all over the place. This was so disrespectful, guys, and please just watch this video and let me know what you think.
Proud of
why
you. I am proud of the woman because it sounds right because you didn't know your worth.
And this girl is talking pillow talk anazo nompumelelo ezimenza uba athethe lo hlobo.
Now you know your worth. You know your worth.
Uyandika, and as she's saying that ingasimqhube ngemanga because
I mean, you didn't have the confidence that you have now. Now you have confidence. Hence, I'm saying, I am proud of you. Big up.
As a big ups to you. Like, why would you even do that? She is saying she is proud of Vuyokazi because Vuyokazi left Umpumelelo. But she is still in that relationship. So she was just supposed to keep quiet and let Vuyokazi and Umpumelelo solve their issues, and then that's it, So to say, yes, I'm proud of you because you know your worth, you have confidence now. Shukuthi when you are implying ukuthi Vuyokazi had no confidence in herself, Vuyokazi didn't love herself, she didn't know her worth when she was with Umpumelelo. Meanwhile, when you are with Umpumelelo, like, this is so confusing, Sham. It's so confusing. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. I will see you.